Hi there, this is Shay Rippinger here of Hip The Hoopla, here to give you a quick laughter yoga exercise that is going to use your arms, your core, your upper body, and you're going to breathe in and you're going to laugh out, and it's going to be wonderful and reducing your stress, increasing your endorphins, and increasing oxygenation in your body. So this fill and release breath is really easy. So we're going to take an inhale in and we're going to fill like your universal cup with your arms here nice and big. Inhale this in and then exhale, release the arms out to the side, ha 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 ha, as you laugh it out. Inhale it in and then release and exhale it out, ha 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 ha. And then we're going to fill this up and then release this out, laugh it out, ha 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 ha. One more time. Inhale it in and release and exhale it out. So at the end of laughter yoga exercises, we take our hands together nice and big on these acupressure points. We do this twice. Very good, yay. Very good, yay. So I hope you've enjoyed that. I hope this has brought a little bit of energy, joy, and happiness into your day. So you can do this 3 times. You could do this for a whole minute. You can do this for 5 minutes if you want. Just take this easy, take some breaths in between, and enjoy the process of doing some laughter yoga. There's lots of benefits to it, increasing your happiness, increasing your health, and just being wonderful in the world, increasing the overall health of your body and also your neural connectivity in your brain. So when you get more oxygenation to your cells and to your brain, everything works better, you function better, you're happier, you're healthier, and everything is much more wonderful than it was before you started the laughter yoga exercise. And people around you will enjoy it as well. So thank you so much for watching. Rock on, peace out, take care, bye.